so caught in the hype right now, I gotta tell y'all what I'm working on. Motion to enforce surrender client file. Checkmate. I can't help but to read y'all of what I have from my laptop of what I am going to put in. And it says, in the Superior Court of blah 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 county, state of Georgia, pro se, brother, whatever state you live in, I got you. And it says, state of Georgia versus blank, the defendant, the case number, motion to enforce surrender of client file. Comes now the defendant, blank blank, appearing pro se, and respectfully moves this court to issue an order compelling prior counsel, Mr. blank blank, to immediately surrender the complete client file and all discovery materials related to the above captioned case. In the support of the motion, defendant shows as follows. The defendant previously retained or appointed attorney, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter what his name is. He's terminated when the motion's filed in. And defendant has filed a notice of termination of counsel and motion to substitute counsel, terminating Mr. Blank representation and electing to proceed pro se. What do you say? That's another checkmate. Let's see what else we have here. Persuaded to Rule 1.16d of the Georgia Rule of Professional Conduct, a discharged attorney is required to promptly deliver the client and all papers and property to which the client is entitled, including discovery materials, investigation reports, correspondence, pleadings, and any evidence or electronic data received from the prosecution. What do you say, Portia? I say listen to this guy. Not the defendant, the courts. What else? What do we have here? Despite the application, Mr. Blank, we don't care what his name is, has not yet transferred the full client file or provided digital discovery materials, including but not limited to police reports, you have to get that, videos, forensics records, witness statements, and cell phone extractions, data, yada yada yada, blah 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 blah. Defendant hereby designates his blank, whoever you want to fill in to get mail of your sort, blank blank, as the authorized contact to receive all materials on his or her behalf, located at wherever the address is. Wherefore, defendant respectfully requests that this court issues an order directing blank blank, the who don't, to promptly surrender the entire client file, including all discovery and evidence to whoever you choose, it can happen, to the defendant directly at blah 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 jail or prison, blah 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 blah, within 7 days or of said order. Let's see what else we have, Portia. Okay. Respectfully submitted this day of 2025, blah 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 blah, defendant pro se, and the address. Oh, and let's not forget about that certification of mail. I hereby certify that I have this day served a true and correct copy of the foregoing motion to enforce surrender of client file upon the following by disposing. The same in the United States mail with proper postage effects thereof, addressed to as blah blah blah. Okay? That's the prosecutor. That's the district of attorneys of whatever the sort is. Okay? We don't play the rodeo. At least I don't. But don't forget to like, share, follow, and repost again, and repost again. Got it. Repost again. Checkmate.